talking to you!
What?
You want to in the orange with big work pants? Look, I'm wearing a belt. I got big work pants on. Wow! Welcome to this episode. And this is where we're gonna learn English. So in this episode, we're going to be replacing some things, okay? What are we going to be replacing? I hear a lot of people using the word like. L-I-K-E. Like. Get it out your mind. I like this. I kind of like to go there. What the bloody hell are you talking about, mate? So buckle up, get your seatbelts tight. Let's get started with this. Yes, our first word is admire. Admire. We're going to be replacing it with like.
I admire that.
So, we got a pretty girl. I always want to bring the pretty girl in the story. So, we got the pretty girl, and I don't want to go up to her. Oh, I like you. I like you. No, we're going to be using admire you. I admire you. This means like, but in a fancier way. I admire you. Hey, I admire you so much. I admire your work. Don't say I like your work, I admire it. I admire your work. Sir, madam. Yes. An IELTS of 7 with a guarantee of a visa citizenship in the United States of America and Canada. All procedures to complete your files and be able to send you off to Canada or America is done through us. Guys, make sure to check out the link down below. We have provided a service to help hundreds of people to immigrate to Canada and USA. So check it out. Have any questions? There's the email down below as well. On to our second word. So I relish it. So I relish. It's a bit more different than I admire or I like. Okay, so I relish can be used in different contexts, not with a girl. I relish you. No. I relish can be used in times when you want to think about the past. About the past, yes. So let's say I'm with a friend, an old timer, and I'm like, man, oh, I relish the times me and you used to box and I used to beat you up. I relish those times. I relish the times that I used to eat at my mom's house and I wasn't so dependent on work.
I relish the compliment.
Yes, I relish. It's about time when you like or you admire or you think.
I relish the opportunity.
About time, about the past. It's about the past when you feel emotion about the past that you had about it. Oh baby! So guys, thank you for watching. I need something from you right now. Okay, so we have these 2 movies popping up. Guys, tell me which one you would like me to make a movie of the next episode. Which is your favorite character? Which movie you would like done or a series? I'm more than happy to do it in your command and request. Guys, I'm proud of you. Well done for finishing this video. Make sure to check out these 2 videos as well. You're going to love them. And thank you again. See you on the next one.